Good morning, students. So, today we will learn exercise 7.3, chapter number 7. At previous class, you learned about fractions. Okay? So, do you know the meaning very well? Fractions, na? It means it is equal to the each other. Fractions are equivalent. So, first question is write the fraction. Are all these fractions are equivalent? In this question, you learn about how the fractions are equivalent. The meaning of equivalent is equal to the each other. First question. Let's you see first one. The shape of this is circle. It is divided into two equal parts and one part it will be a shaded. Okay. Second one. Same. There is circle. It divided into a four equal parts and two parts are shaded. Same here. It is also a circle and it is divided into a six part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it will be shaded a three part. Now here we will see it is also a circle. It divided into a 8 part and it is shaded the portion. It will be a 4. Okay, 4 part will be a shaded. Now you will see how you will identify where it is all the parts are equivalent or not. There is 1 by 2, 1, 2 and part of shaded is 1. So here we write 1 by 2. Second one, it will be a circle. It divided into a 4 part and 2 part will be shaded. So all total reason is denominator and the part of shaded is numerator. So we will write 2 divided by 4. Here we will see 6 and shaded part will be 3. So 3 divided by 6. Here will be 8 and 4 part it will be a shaded. Now can you identify? No. Why? Because this sum is this one is converted into the form of simplest form. Whenever it will be converted, then only the question will be a equivalent. So first step is my 1 by 2. It will be not converted. Second, 2 divided by 4. This one be converted because 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It will be 1 by 2. So this is equivalent. Now you see another one. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. It will be also 1 by 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. It will be also 1 by 2. So these all quotients are equal. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So this is equivalent. Whenever all the fractions are equal, then it will be a equivalent. So now you see second one. There is box which is consisting of lots of circle. We will count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here will be write 12 and shaded portion it will be a 4. So here how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So here will be a 9 and shaded portion 3. Shaded portion 3. So it will be a 3 by 9. Same as here it will be shaded portion will be 2 and it will be consisting 6. Same here will be it will be shaded portion only a 1 and consisting 3 circles. Here the circle it will be a 15 and shaded portion it will be a 6. Now we will convert all the fraction into a simplest form, lower simplest form. 4 by 12. So here will be converted now. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. It will be a 1 divided by 3. Second one, 3 divided by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Same fraction. Third one, 2 divided by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Here also 1 by 3. 1 by 3 here is same. But now you will see 6 divided by 15. 6 is possible to same condition. If you divide it into 3 tables, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now it is come in the lowest term is 2 divided by 5. But these are 1 divided by 3 and this is 2 by 5. So this is last one is not equivalent. So our question, this one is not equivalent question. Okay students. Now you will see second question. Write the fraction and the pair up the equivalent fraction for each row. Now you will identify this row to this row. As you will previous lowest class, you will learn how to match the followings. In this question you do like this only for matchings. But first of all you want to identify the fractions. This is 1 by 2. 2 are denominator and 1 is numerator. Here 6 is denominator and shaded portion is numerator. Same here, 9 is denominator and 3 is numerator. Here 8 is denominator, 2 is numerator. You learn about more things. That is the shaded part, it will be always a numerator. Now here is also 1 2 3 4. 4 is denominator and 3 is numerator. Here also you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 is denominator and 6 is shaded portion is numerator. You will count on by your own self. You will identify these things is also the total reason is denominator and the shaded part is numerator. Now we will go now. Our first match, it will be a 1 by 2. Here you will see. Second will be 4 by 6. Third will be 3 by 9. Fourth will be 2 by 8. And last one will be 3 by 9. 3 by 4, sorry. 3 by. And our second part, it will be 6 by 16. 4 by 8. 12 by 16. 8 by 12, 4 by 16. But you want to add in. You want to identify the matching pair. So first things, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 fours are 12, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. All the things you want to convert into a simplest form. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. It is automatically in the simplest form. Now you matching. How you matching? 1 by 2 is matched with 1 by 2. 3 by 4 is matched with 3 by 4. 3 by 9 is matched with 1 by 3 is matched with 1 by 3. Whenever you goes in the simplest form, it will be consisting 1 by 3. 1 by 4 match with 1 by 4. 3 by 4 match with 3 by 4. My dear students, first of all, you will identify these columns. If your columns are consisting right, your matching will be always right. Please write at match the column pairs. A1, now उसके नीचे B1, उसके नीचे C1, उसके नीचे D1, उसके नीचे E1. उसके बाद A के सामने 1 है तो आपको 1/2 के सामने ही 6/18 राइट करना है. बी के सामने 2 नंबर का कॉलम है. सो प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स यू राइट फिल दिस थिंग्स at the same position, and now you will see match the following pair. So you got your answer.